This dish is over 2,000 years old. It's called Cholent, the original Shabbat comfort food. Thousands of years ago, Jewish sages faced the challenge: how to enjoy a warm meal on the Sabbath without breaking the laws of cooking. The answer: a dish you prepare before sunset on Friday and let cook low and slow until Saturday lunch. From Eastern Europe to North Africa to the Middle East, Cholent evolved. Always different, always the same.
So good. Like, I can't believe it.
I didn't grow up eating this every week, but whenever we had it, it felt like a warm hug, a true treat. And now I make it for my boys. Watching them light up when they taste it, knowing this dish has fed families for generations, that's what it's all about.
Wow.
My grandmother's name in Hebrew is Luba. I start by chopping 2 onions. They'll be split between the sear and the slow cook. Next, potatoes. Some get sliced into thin discs for the base layer, and the rest are cut chunky, halved or quartered. They soak in cold water while everything else comes together. Then the garlic. It's always a must. Rough chop is fine, nothing fancy required.
Chicken fat or schmaltz.
Now the flavor starts. A spoonful of schmaltz hits the pan, which is basically just chicken fat rendered down. It's liquid gold. And in goes the meat. Beef neck bones and short ribs are great here. Get a good sear on both sides, then I toss in half the chopped onions to soften and build the base. Now we layer. Potato discs go on the bottom of the slow cooker, then meat, garlic, potatoes, more meat, the rest of the onions, and a scoop of soaked barley right on top. Make sure to soak the barley for at least 30 minutes to get it nice and soft. A quarter cup of ketchup. Here comes the twist. The rest of the onions get sauteed with a can of barbecue baked beans. Make sure you get the vegetarian kind because we don't want any bacon in our cholent. Saute the onions and beans for about 2 minutes and add that all on top. Then the spice lineup: onion powder, garlic powder, turmeric, cumin, black pepper, paprika, and salt to taste. Two whole eggs go in on top, classic. And finally, about 2 cups of rich homemade broth, just enough to cover the top layer without drowning it. Lid on, and that's it.
This goes overnight, and we'll see this in the morning for breakfast.